Oh my God, what is this person doing? Great driving. Great driving. Good job. There's the window. You're supposed to go. Oh my God. What are you doing? Mass chaos. Oh my God.
What the fuck?
That is not safe. Like I'm all for like making a city more walkable, more bikeable, all that. Pay attention.
Thanks for doing that.
Oh my God. You're in the bike lane.
I was wondering about that camera. So it's just facing forward, so everything you see.
And reverse.
And reverse.
Yep.
Oh, and us or like behind the.
It can face inward. You see that there? I don't. Y'all are cool. I don't have it. I don't actually have it turned on right now.
And people love to honk. I did see on the Seattle news.
What?
On the Seattle.
What are you expecting anybody to do?
Dude. Just because it's green doesn't mean they can go.
Oh my God.
Where do you expect them to go?
Oh my God. Oh.
And I'm the kind of person that calls people out.
Wow, okay. Seriously?
Shut the
He
fuck
doesn't
up.
look angry.
Oh my God.
He doesn't even like look bothered. He's
This is my life every day.
Like, Jesus. That's absurd.
Literally as we're
I've
talking
never
about it.
heard that.
Yeah, on the Seattle news, it was talking about how a lot more people are honking in Seattle. It was like a whole.
I'm
story.
probably a significant percentage
You're
of
a
that.
honker?
Oh, I'm a honker. Not like that. Like,
Holding it down while there's traffic at a red light.
yeah, no, that's dumb. Like,
I'm glad you got
Pantera AMC or something like that in the movie theater. They have like student films all the time, and like, yeah, they're
how did
like,
you get there
so inoffensive.
backwards?
It's almost unbelievable.
This is a one-way street.
The whole thing made me laugh.
Hey, which way does traffic go? See the arrows on the ground?
Children don't choose their gender. I know.
Oh my God.
Yes, should welcome to.
Sure, let's just drive around without our lights on. Go. Not your light, asshole. What? You have the stop sign, I don't. Chill out.
Thursday night with our thanks for being here with us on behalf of all our colleagues at the network, so NBC News.
It must be hard to pull in all the way.
Hey, guess what?
If I pay you $10, will you leave the offer open until January 5th? The man agreed to leave the offer open until January 5th, and the neighbor paid the man $10. On January 10th,
Man, if only there was bike lanes. Oh wait, there's one right over here. see. 3-minute passenger load spot right there. There's plenty of space over there. It's not like there's parking spots over there. Not your fault. Your driver's fault. Genius. Oh my God. Great driving!
He is bailing my assholes.
In the antebellum South, so that's very little credit. Greenland seemed to be okay with the idea of Fred teaching slaves to read, but several other slave owners nearby were outraged at the idea, so they broke up the lessons.
They're way over there in that lane and they're trying to turn right. It's not like there's an entire highway of traffic behind you. Oh my God. Really? Great parking! There's a cop right there. Are they gonna do anything? I doubt it. Even though it's illegal to block the bike lane. Ooh, what do they care? And another one. Another one.
Another one. And another one. And another one.
You're parked in the bike lane. Turn your goddamn lights on. Really? Really? Somebody parked there. There's nobody in the car. Wow. That's a new one.
The Holy Priesthood, now's the time to use it to make my COVID go away. So,
Yeah, point your prayers toward Dan.
yeah, just like you
Oh,
do
boy.
whatever you do, consecrate some oil and yell my name at it or something.
What is a truck like that even good for?
Well,
Other than showing off how small your penis is.
Well, hopefully you get better.
Oh, excuse you. We just cut in line.
Where do you think you're going?
I have to see Santa.
The line ends here. It begins there. Merry Christmas, ho, ho. Come up, boys and girls. Hurry up. Santa can't wait all night. Let's go.
Oh no.
Look at this bullshit. Plenty of space over here to park. Good job. You can't pull over? The spot right there.
It's probably still good. That's exactly where it comes from. And that's where a lot of these are hardship foods, right? Yeah. So like there's nothing around, so you're just like, I guess I'll just eat this hardship food.
Still good. I would eat every single member of this cast first.
Good job.
If you had to summarize what you've learned in one sentence.
Top page and enter the code skater.
All right, Heath, I'm in.
Hello, it's me, Grandma Vet. No, I hear you had a present for me.
Oh, no, go ahead, go home, Grandma.
I really thought I slam dunked it with my gay marriage thing.
I'm gonna tell you the story because like I had to go down a rabbit hole to figure out what the hell she was talking about, and it is insane.
You wanna
And the winter hit here, right? And I was like talking
Oh
to
my
my parents
God.
every day. What is going on?
Somebody chose to let their passenger out right here in the middle of the road. Geniuses. Geniuses.
In that trunk case under the restaurant. Here, there are not good reasons, and the DOJ actively declined. I mean, they wrote a 22-page brief saying, you do whatever you want with this guy, he's not ours. And it is thorough and detailed and kind of hilarious to me. Right? Like, whenever you get to write a header like, instigating an attack on
the intersection. Sure you want to park there? Oh my god. What the? You can't turn left there.
I can do that because I did.
Oh my god. Not your light, pedestrians. Really? Why are you stopped right here? Why are you stopped right here? Fucking genius. Straight up genius. Oh my god. Look at how that car is parked. What is that? How do you even do that? How are you that bad? That is hilarious. People just legit don't care. My car's sticking halfway out into the traffic lane. Who cares? You just go around. Wow. Literally blocking this guy from getting into his garage. You're blocking that garage right there, and you're blocking the parking lane.
Oh, I'm gonna...
That guy right behind you is trying to get in the garage. Good job. There's parking spaces over there.
Thank you.
Turn your lights on. You're in the bike lane. Bike lane. It never ends. Oh, what's this? Great place to stop. Fantastic. Not like there's a little circle drive right there to pull into. Wow. Okay. Great job! No one in there.
J.D.
There's a
Vance,
bus coming.
the guy, one of the Republicans running for Senate in Ohio, he's like,
Nope.
these people
Those are not parking spots.
everything.